Welcome to an all-new banking experience with HDFC Bank app. Here's how you can register for the HDFC Bank app. Click on Let's Start to begin the journey. If you already have an HDFC Bank account, then select Yes, I have an account. Select the individual checkboxes to give permissions to the app. Then accept the terms and conditions and click on Allow Access. Select the SIM link to your mobile number registered with the bank and click on Continue. Your customer ID will be automatically fetched based on your registered mobile number. Now, just click Continue to move ahead. To verify, select either debit card or net banking. Here, you have multiple options to complete the two-factor authentication. If you wish to verify via debit card, fill in the necessary details and click on Verify Card to proceed. To verify via net banking, your customer ID will be automatically fetched. Just check the tick box to accept the terms and conditions to continue the process. Now, click on Login to verify to continue. Finally, enter your net banking password to authenticate and complete the process. Set your MPIN for quick and secure access. Make sure to follow the guidelines while setting your MPIN. Once done, click on OK to proceed. To set your biometric login, click on Enable and you're good to go. Congratulations! You have successfully registered on the HDFC Bank.